Hello guys, welcome to SilverFox Racing. Today I will be reviewing the JLHKrafts E-Gate, 2-shot E-Gate, given to me by the Cliff International, so thank you to them. So we have the remote buttons right here and the main gate itself. It's so heavy. So yes, it uses two 9V battery on the remote buttons. Now let's put them in. There we go. So this is the inside of the buttons. This is where we're gonna put the two batteries right in.
An eternity later.
Okay, so I'm pretty dumb how to position this battery, but at least I know it's working. Okay, set, go.
346 minutes later.
Okay, so I think it's probably placed like this, I don't know. So let's take the cover and put it back in. So yeah, here we go. It's now closed in, and let's try the gate. Here. Let's position it somehow to 15 degrees angle like that. Set. Let's say the switch lanes. Side view. Oh no! So yes, this is the JLHKrafts R-Line E-Gate. They have a newer version of their E-Gates available on their website, so go check them out. Link below my finger here. So without further ado, let's connect it to the Mount Kitsune track. So I turned on the flashlight because it's too dark in this track, here in the track. Okay, so let's connect the start gate to the track here. Here.
10 seconds later.
Okay, now it's connected. Here are the buttons. Let's put in the car. And go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no! Oh, it's right here. Okay, let's reset. Put the cars right here. And go. Wow. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to go to JLHKrafts.com. Video sponsored by the Cliff International Raceway. Link below to their social pages. This is SilverFox Racing, 1/64 scale diecast racing.